Imagine being stranded in the wilderness without help. We have a product to save you in that scenario. What if you have to fight off an attacker or break glass in case of an emergency? This handy tool can make the difference and more. Fluora Mini. Are you a bad gardener? Want your plants to do more than just stand still? When it comes to accent lighting, are you looking for something unique? Well, we have the perfect product for you. It's called the Fluora LED Houseplant, and it does exactly what it says. Fluora is a creative device that enables you to swap out that annoying floor plant for one that glows, changes colors, responds to music, and more. With 5 stalks and a total of 18 7-inch long leaves, each with 15 individually addressable LEDs, there are 270 LEDs in all, providing 270 LEDs of color that may brighten a room, spark a dinner party conversation, or uplift your mood. One function button allows you to switch between many operational modes, which have names like Twinkle, Leaf Swirl, Rainbow, and Stem Fade. The pot has a power button that you can press to start things up. Each one consists of a different version of LEDs blinking in a predetermined pattern while changing colors and brightness. Crua Crucoon. Some tents are made to offer the strongest protection from the elements, making sure you can have a functional shelter regardless of the weather. Others are designed for comfort, giving you as much space as possible to create a true cabin in the woods. The Crua Crucoon is made to offer privacy, blocking as much outside light and sound as possible to give you a genuinely calm space. The tent is not the best for camping. It lacks the waterproofing that a suitable outdoor shelter needs, but you can still use it for that. It's designed to be used as a whole different kind of tent, whether that's at home, on the beach, or somewhere else. If you're looking to survive in the wild outdoors, we're not sure a tent like this is the best bet. The makers advise using it inside a larger tent if you want to add its peace and quiet to your shelter. Kea Kit. Kea Kit is a modular survival system designed to help you survive in the outdoors. It is pre-assembled and weighs 1.95 kilograms when fully packed. If you need help in the outdoors, it has more than 30 different objects to help you survive. The fact that you don't have to give this kit much thought is its best feature. It's simple to tuck away in the bottom of your bag and leave with the confidence that, should things go south, you'll probably be able to handle most scenarios until help arrives. This kit offers a high level of ease, as its modular design is a major plus. Are you planning a quick day trip? No problem. You just need to take the first aid module and stuff it in your rucksack. Have a tent for use as a makeshift shelter? Just throw that piece of equipment outside for the journey. Pretty simple. Thunderbolt Hyper Raid. The Hyper Raid, which is powered by Thunderbolt technology, can achieve lightning-fast transfer speeds of 40 GB per second, allowing users to edit, analyze, and store data immediately and efficiently. Transferring 10 GB of files takes just 4 seconds, ensuring efficient work without wasting any time. The fully equipped RAID station and 22-in-1 dock, Hyper Raid has 8 M2 NVMe SSD spaces, or 2 U.2 slots, 2 HDD slots, 6 media card readers, USB ports, and DisplayPort. Hyper Raid is your closest buddy if you're a creative because it allows you to store your data straight through the ports. Moose Wildernest Backpack. The Moose is the definition of a stylish and secure backpack despite its misleading nickname. It was created as an anti-theft and USB charging accessory with unmatched elegance. It has numerous features, including secret pockets and compartments, compartments for a laptop or tablet, and 6 alternative carry modes. It has many pockets that are useful and surprisingly small, but also has a huge capacity that is exceptionally versatile. For convenient daily usage, it is a workstation backpack with a fully accessible zipper design. The Moose backpack meets at the lovely confluence of basic design and anti-theft technology, making it ideal for travelers and city commuters. This bomber, which is excellent for carrying on and features a contemporary take on the vintage design, looks sleek at social events and offers the ultimate accent to any outfit. Livall PikaBoost. The Livall PikaBoost e-bike conversion kit has several unique and exciting characteristics. The Shenzhen-based company claims the PikaBoost turns any bike into an e-bike in 30 seconds, and it was the first to market with a smart bike helmet with GPS, LED lights, Bluetooth speakers, and a microphone in 2018. The PikaBoost is a simple, lightweight, and easy-to-install hitch that mounts to the seat post without the need for a tool and can be fitted without changing your present bike's configuration. There is no motor hub or crank sensor to mount. There are 3 modes on the PikaBoost: cruise, roll, and exercise. When the rider is not pedaling, the bike's speed will be automatically maintained in the cruise mode, which is comparable to cruise control. The battery power is 18 by 13 watt-hour cells or regular replaceable 18650 batteries, each with a voltage of 2.5 AA's, adding up to 234 watt-hours and producing up to 250 watts maximum power allowed by UK law. Livall asserts that its range, which it compares to bulky e-bikes, is up to 30 kilometers or 18 miles. Pod Mini. The new Pod Mini from Adaptalux pairs with the company's lightning arm for microphotography to help mix various types of lighting. With its fully adaptable lighting system, photographers can create the perfect composition. Now all types of photographers, from the novice to professionals, can enjoy the benefits of Adaptalux's modular, flexible lighting designed to be compatible with all types of photography. The Pod Mini allows photographers to quickly set up LED and xenon flash lighting both indoors and outdoors. They have the option to alter the light's power, color, and functionality, such as for video with the Pod Mini. It's so small and lightweight that it can be easily carried around and used in any photographic settings. This makes it a lot easier to position your lighting in the most unusual settings. Harm & Hammer. Combo self-defense and emergency survival equipment, the Guard Dog Harm & Hammer Pepper Spray and Glass Breaker is presented in a keychain-ready style. It contains a red-hot pepper spray that can be used for self-defense, and the keychain features a steel point emergency glass break hammer for emergency situations involving water flooding or fire in a vehicle, house, or office. Kineon Move Plus. There will always be times when we feel pain and other physical discomfort due to the stress of movement and exercise, even if everyone is advised to maintain an active lifestyle to ensure physical health. It could come from a tragic injury, or it could just be part of the process of aging. Pain is unavoidable, and not all pain requires medical attention. It will require something to stop the agony and help with the healing process. Thankfully, you won't need pricey services or difficult technology, or with Kineon Move Plus's medical-grade laser and LED technology. To facilitate your body's natural healing process, you can easily wrap this wearable device over your sore knee or any other joint. In order to reduce joint pain and start the body's healing process, Kineon Move Plus can be worn both when needed to decrease discomfort or during periods of rest to wipe away travel-related aches. Unlike a smartwatch, Move Plus is not required to be worn continuously and is easy to tuck away, whereas it is easily put on and taken off when desired. Marvo Tesla. The Marvo Tesla is a unique phone mount with an exterior solar panel that you can use to charge your phone anywhere. It can be used with GPS by downloading Waze and Car Home. It also works with a variety of automobiles. The no charging is made possible in large part by Marvo's exterior solar panel. The battery will be able to store power as long as there is enough sun coverage because the solar panel has a built-in power storage feature. Nesugar. 2-in-1 deals are never a bad thing. Depending on your needs, the Nesugar shoe dryer and deodorizer have 2 temperatures, either a 55 degrees Celsius or 45 degrees Celsius, as well as additional drying and ozone sterilization modes, and a time for either 1, 2, or 4-hour dries. I'm eager to hear which product has captured your attention the most. Leave your comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.